Hi guys and welcome back. My name is Alex from AMCrypto, your trusted source for your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency updates. So now the question that everybody has on their mind is after Binance and a lot of other exchanges have actually relisted Luna, will their plan to reestablish trust into the project actually work? And is there a future for Luna in this cryptocurrency market? So, and I am sure you would like an answer to that, and I will show you certain things that are pointing in one specific direction. So please stay here until the end, that you get all the information that you need. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave a like, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates, guys. So, and now let's get here straight into the chart. Here on Luna, I am now here on the 15 minutes chart because otherwise you don't see any of the price action that's actually happening. So, and it looks like that Luna is struggling here to get above 3 cents. We can see here clear resistance along this line. So if I pull it a little bit lower, then you have even more touch points. Then you see here a resistance level around 3 cents, exactly what I was saying to you guys. So we have here resistance, here resistance, here resistance. Here we pumped shortly above this. So, but now it's again resistance, and Luna is struggling to get above this. So 3 cents is obviously nothing compared to where Luna was. So if I scroll here down, scroll here up, then we all know where Luna was, you know. So it was here at $30-40 just a couple of days ago. So 3 cents is really nothing. So, but the question is now, after Kwon has posted that they have here a revival plan for Luna, if that plan actually has hand and foot and can actually pan out and save the project. So for this, I want to go into this plan, what he is proposing. So, and here you can see that I will not bore you now with everything that's written here. So, but he says technically that people that have bought or hold Luna above $1 should get a 40% compensation of the actual price at that time. So then another 400 million, 40% to UST holders pro rata, so it means also for $1. So, and then come other tiers down the line. So, but the problem is, he wants now to fork Luna to get a hold of the whole problem that he has created with this algorithm that was behind UST and has created this big black swan event. So here the biggest question is, can people recoup their investment if they fork the chain? So, and here comes the bitter truth. In my opinion, no, it will not work. So why will it not work? So first of all, they have printed like crazy Lunas, so Luna coin, to burn USDT. So, and that was this black hole spiral event that everybody was talking about, that if they want to get basically balance everything out so that the pack is restored to $1 for USDT, they have to print more Luna and burn UST to increase the value of UST, but at the same time inflating again Luna, and that's why Luna went basically to shit. So, and other people were taking advantage of that and were arbitraging. So, and that's why we see what we are seeing, what's happening with Luna. So, and here the short answer is, unfortunately, I believe that Luna is done and we have all lost the money that we put in. Luckily, after I lost already so much money, I just put another $2,000 just for fun in Luna for that were then 100,000 coins. So just if it would have gone back to like $10, $50, I would have made a couple of millions and recouped what I have lost. But so this will actually not happen. So if that plan here gets approved, I will get at least something back of my money, but it will be also almost nothing. But a little bit is better than nothing, guys, you know. So I basically closed this chapter already now for me personally. It was heavily mismanaged, and what is the Kwon here proposing, in my opinion, can just not work. So, but we should also have a look, of course, what's happening with Bitcoin. So here on the weekly chart, it looks like that Bitcoin tries to hold here this support. Right now we are a little bit under it. A little bit actually above it, if I look correctly. So we have to close this weekly candle above $28,800-ish if we don't do this, then we are in for massive trouble for Bitcoin, and then we're definitely in a multi-month, multi-year a bear market where Bitcoin will then range, in my opinion, between $20,000 and $30,000 for quite a while before we see then a final capitulation event at some point, maybe slightly under 20,000, and then Bitcoin will then start to rally up again. So if we can close above this line, then I would still like to see some other daily candles closing above that level to confirm that this is now support, and that we are holding this here once again as support, as we have done this here and also here. And yeah, then we can cautiously being a little bit more bullish here for Bitcoin and for the immediate short term, that we go here slightly and slowly up again. So when we look here on the altcoins right now, almost every altcoin is again in a loss. But here comes the thing, guys. If you would have invested yesterday or before yesterday money in altcoins, they went up yesterday, a lot of them, like 70-80%. So if you are now lost minus like 0.8%, minus 1-2%, it doesn't matter. You made yesterday a shitload of money on this, you know. So, and if you want to make here also money and get into early pricings here of these coins right now, because they are definitely on discount, then you should take advantage of my bonus links here for BYBIT. There you get $4,050 for using my link here and zero maker fees with that specific link, only for a short amount of time, guys. Takes only 10 seconds to register there and to claim the bonus. So, and also on PrimeXBT, there you get up to $7,000 bonus with the link down below here, if you use the promo code AMCrypto. So don't forget this, guys. So let's get back here quick to Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart. So here we can see that on the Fibonacci retracement level, the 2.618, this is still holding support. We are above that level. So, and it looks like that we potentially form here an inverse head and shoulders. So the only thing that I don't like about this is that the right shoulder is lower than the left one. It should be, the low point should be higher normally. So, but if I draw this here right now like this, so, and we measure it like this, so then it could pan out. So, and let us see where the target would take us. So if that would be a head and shoulders pattern. So that would bring us back to $38,000 if that is playing out, and we are not heading lower and breaking the Fibonacci retracement level. So there is a little bit of bullishness right now in the chart. If it will work out is another question. We have to see what's happening here. So, and we have also not so much volume coming in here right now. So there could be also the chance that we see here a further move to the downside, because we have not much volume going on here right now on the weekend. So, and yeah, we have basically to wait for this weekly close. But if you want to make money in the meantime, guys, don't forget that you can also still join my paid signals group here. There we still make money. Doesn't matter if the market goes up or down. We are also shorting there. So there we also made a recent couple of days a lot of money, guys. So if you want to take advantage of that, write my staff here with that specific link. They will hook you up with everything what you need to know. Guys, that's it already for today's episode here. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for yesterday's video. It was insane. I got almost 20,000 views on this video. That was absolutely crazy. I thank you so much for that, for my community out there. Let's try to get this one now to 25,000. That would be absolutely crazy and would make it my day, even in a down market that we are in right now. So guys, please smash up the like button. Let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen. Subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.